ELECMAN steel EMT set screw slip couplings are used to connect two EMT pipers in confined space. Equipped with a distinctive center stub screw, it slides freely over the EMT conduit. Diamond-shaped inspection window to ensure both ends of conduit are visible. This design removes the need of flexible conduit between prefabricated EMT conduit racks, increases productivity in the field. ELECMAN supplies full sizes ranging from ½ inch to 4 inches. All sizes are tested and certified by UL. First, back out the center stub screw, but don't remove it completely. Then put it onto the EMT conduit. The coupling can slide freely over the EMT conduit. Bring the second EMT section into alignment. Slide the coupling over the second conduit end. Use the inspection window to confirm both EMT stubs penetrate into the coupling to equal depth. Tighten the center stub screw until it firmly sits between two EMT conduit ends to maintain centering. Now tighten all the set screws on both ends. Do not over-tighten the screw. Excessive force will crush the conduit.